Infuse your space with the calming essence of earth through Makaw Decorative Lime Plaster and Effect Paints. Terra Forma is designed with a smooth square panels, with a matte gray finish resembling an abstract fossil imprints or geological markings. These etched patterns give the surface an organic, layered appearance, while still maintaining a minimalist and modern aesthetic. To achieve this finish, you'll need Gray Koala Makaw Decorative Lime Plaster, metal trowel, and acetate. Be sure that the wall surface is clean and free from dust, dirt, or any loose particles. Apply a thin layer of Makaw Gray Koala on the wall surface, then let it dry for 30 minutes. Carefully cut the acetate plastic into equal-sized squares. For the second layer, apply a generous and evenly thick coat of Makaw Gray Koala. While the second layer of Makaw Gray Koala is still wet, carefully place the square acetate on top and leave it in place until it dries completely. Carefully remove the acetate plastic to reveal the design you've created. Terra Forma, a new wall design from Makaw Decorative Lime Plaster and Effect Paints. Available in all SINCLAIR Pro Store nationwide.